Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use data entry in a computer. Data entry is essentially the process of transferring information from one format into a digital system, like a spreadsheet or database. It sounds simple, but accuracy and speed are key to making this task truly effective. We will cover the fundamental steps to ensure your data is clean and correctly recorded from the start. To get started, you will primarily use spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel, which is excellent for structured data. For more complex or extensive information, database systems are often employed. Beyond the software, your physical tools matter. A comfortable keyboard and an accurate mouse are your best friends. These simple tools, when used correctly, form the backbone of efficient data input. Accuracy is paramount in data entry, as even small mistakes can have significant impacts. Develop a habit of cross-referencing every piece of information you enter with its original source. Many software programs offer built-in data validation features. Learn to use these to automatically flag or prevent incorrect data types. Consistency in formatting, for example, always writing dates as day, month, year, reduces confusion and improves data integrity. Once you have mastered accuracy, focus on boosting your efficiency without compromising quality. Learning keyboard shortcuts for your specific software can shave off hours over time. Setting up templates for frequently entered data will save you from repetitive typing. For very large datasets, explore automated import features. These can transfer thousands of entries in mere seconds, allowing you to focus on quality control and analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.